Hello friends! Today we are going to read a book from the Sesame Street. Elmo Says Achoo! Written by Sarah Albee and illustrated by Brannon. Elmo has a present. What is it? No one knows. He is taking it to Oscar. It tickles Elmo's nose. Elmo sneezes. Down blow all the clothes. Bert is stacking cans. He stacks them neat and tall. Elmo sneezes. All the soup cans fall. Elmo sees a person in the barber's chair. Elmo sneezes. Down falls all the hair. Look at what we built. The happy monster's skull. Elmo sneezes. Down falls the wall. Here comes a parade. The circus is in town. Elmo sneezes. The clowns all tumble down. Elmo visits Oscar to give the Grouch his gift. A stinkweed plant, said Oscar. The best I ever sniffed. Oscar finds his hanky. Then what does he do? Oscar grins a grouchy grin, and then he says, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.